If you're happy that Gio and Ken are back together, nah, not back together. Them never left. Then they left. They never left. Sorry. I mean, if you're happy that Gio and Ken are back on YouTube, comment below. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday to one and all. I am happy. Guess why? I am happy because Gio and Ken, they're back. They are back on the platform. Can I get a wow?
Wow!
Can I get a wow for Gio and Kenny's?
Wow, wow, wow!
Thank you. Viewers and subscribers, let me big you up. Quick. Let me big you up. I am grateful to have you by my side from day one until today. It is a pleasure, and I want to express gratitude, especially to my first subscriber. I wouldn't be here without that person and others that come along. I just want to say thank you. So guys, we're going to do a video today. I'm going to talk about the power couple. You all know the power couple, right? Gio and Ken. They're back together, and I'm grateful. I need a round of applause for Gio and Ken. Class, be seated and let me talk. Thank you. So guys, internet sensation, Gio and Ken, the power couple, they are back together. They are back together, and I am overwhelmed. Yes. Personally, I believe it was a publicity stunt. What do you think? You can comment below. You can argue with me. We can talk about it. But I think it was a publicity stunt. But I know many of you were tricked. I know many of you were fooled by their prank. I know many of you had left heartbroken. If you were a real fan of Gio and Ken, you can't tell me that you did not miss them and something inside of you did not move. I missed them. I had sleepless nights now and then because of them, thinking, are they really together? And hoping to get some evidence. They left no trace behind. Because even when I go on other platform seeking answer from them, your answers remain unanswered because you DM them, you comment, none of them replied. So all of us were in the dark, and now they came back laughing at us. I am not laughing. I am not laughing, Gio and Ken. You guys stayed too long. I didn't know say a prank when I try prank we. Well done. If you're happy that Gio and Ken are back together, nah, not back together. Them never left. Then they left. They never left. Sorry. I mean, if you're happy that Gio and Ken are back on YouTube, comment below. Comment below. But they're back, and I'm happy that they're back. I miss them. My daughter missed them. Other persons miss them. Everybody missed them. Guys, can you believe in less than 19 minutes, Gio and Ken had over 900,000 persons viewing their video that they uploaded. That's how much people love and appreciate Gia and Ken. What I want for Gia and Ken now is for them to come with some nice content. Make sure you guys come with something that leave us in awe all the time, because you guys stayed very long. So you need to make it up to us, the fans. You need to come with something extra nice. And we need videos often, right? We need videos often. When you're not bother with the lele, you have wounded so many hearts. So Gia and Ken, you guys need to come and mend it back. Mend those broken pieces. You need to come and patch up at the people them heart. The real fans, you left them in dismay. At least know that you guys are back together on the social media platform. Your fans can relax. Welcome back, guys. Just know I love you guys and your fans love you. Thank you. Guys, what do you have to say about Gia and Ken? Do you believe that Gia and Ken were parted, or you can join with me and said it was a publicity stunt? Comment below and let's have a conversation. Thank you. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Please like, share, and comment below. Have a good day. Bye.